strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think. Longing is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink. Pass me the lighter, baby.
Driving here, I figured I'd take you guys by our old shop. Used to be in this little bitty strip mall here, and if you've read my book or anything, I talk about how we couldn't even fit an air conditioner through the door. Well, this is why. This was our first shop. You can see that was the door that was available to us. It's a little bitty. It only goes as far as that little, see that wood board right there? That's how far it went. The next window on the other side of that wood board, that's the other space next to us. So that's how little it was. There was a little bit of room right over here, and then a really narrow piece in the back. But we asked to see if we could rent this space, this next space over, and we were paying like $400. I mean, the square footage is next to nothing. $400 or $450 a month for this, and we asked if we could rent that one, but he wanted 600, and there's not a whole lot more square footage in that one than there was in ours, but it would allow for a little bit of expansion for us. At least we could like start stocking some everyday supplies and stuff. So he wanted 600 for it, and we basically were like, no way, there's no possible way. I even talked to him about, you know, like, let's figure something out. Let's work something out so that we can, you know, maybe just give it to us for $400 a month for a year. Let us build up to where we felt comfortable paying $600 a month, and he wouldn't go for it. Clarity. Specifically, clarity around how we act and how we don't act. And this is something that you guys, to put it into perspective, like I shared the video. I hope you watched it. If you didn't, get into the Facebook group and watch the video, the Darren Daily video about him talking about how families are inherently dysfunctional. And that's why you cannot look at your business family like your own family, because, and he explains why. But here's pretty much why. Healthy families, they're the ones where the parents give their children discipline, affection, and time. And this is something that almost always gets better over time. Where an unhealthy family, they're the ones without discipline and unconditional love. They're always going to struggle, even if they have all the money, all the tutors, all the coaches, and technology that they could ever want. And that is just a fact. It's just a simple fact that this family, the healthy family, is always going to just get better. They're going to get better and better as they learn more and more about each other and what's right and what's wrong, how we act and how we don't act, you know, between those relationships versus an unhealthy one. So clarity, more clarity, constantly being discussed around this is how we act, this is how we don't act.